लीनियर सिस्टम मध्ये काय क्या होता है, सुपरपोजिशन का थ्योरम ये वो फॉलो करता है। और दूसरा है तो लॉ इज नेसेसरी एंड सफिशिएंट टू प्रूव लीनियरिटी ऑफ सिस्टम। सफिशिएंट होता है और उसके प्रूव करने के लिए लीनियरिटी सिस्टम linearity system and linearity is combination of two rules का एक combination होता है। law of additivity, law of homogeneity। फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे law of additivity। system y1 of t, system y2 of t is y1 of t plus y2 of t, then x1 of t plus x2 of t, then system extends to y of t is equal to y1 of t plus y2 of t, then y of t is equal to x of t plus 10, output is input plus 10, y1 of t is equal to y1 of t is not equal to 10, y2 of t equal to x2 plus 10, then x1 of t plus x2 of t plus 20, then y of t is not equal to y dash of t, system is null. Then law of homogeneity, x of t tends to system y of t k, output ky of t, then k x y of y0, system y of t is equal to ky of t. Example, y of t is equal to x square of t, output is input square. This is the law of homogeneity. X of t system k is k, system is kx. I give system kx, then output is k square x square t. Check linear and non-linear system. Y of t is equal to x sine of t. Second, y of t is equal to x tan of t. Third example, y of t is equal to x of t square. This is the example of linearity and non-linearity. We find linearity and non-linearity. System y1 of t is equal to x sine of t, y2 x2 sine of t, y1 of t plus y2 of t, x1 sine of t, and x2 plus x2 sine of t, and x2 of t, x2 sine of t, x1 of t plus x2 of t plus sine system x1 sine plus x2 sine of t. Linearity of system independent of टाइम स्केलिंग। फर्स्ट होता है वो सिस्टम एंड के इज अ कांस्टेंट, के एंड सिस्टम, देन फर्स्ट आउटपुट के वाई ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू के एक्स साइन ऑफ टी, वाई ऑफ वाई इज इक्वल टू के वाई ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू के एक्स साइन ऑफ टी, then y of t is equal to sine of t x1 of t, then system sine of t x2 of t, then sine of t x1 of t next plus x2 of t. This is output. Then x1 of t plus x2 of t tends to sine of t. Linearity system independent of coefficient of linearity system. In relationships, system y of t k sine of t x of t, k y of t, k sine of t x of t, and k x of t, k sine of t x system y of t, k 9 of t, k sine of plus x of t. second method क्या है? For linear output should be 0 for output and input. आउटपुट शुड बी 0 फॉर 0 इनपुट. अगर आपका इनपुट 0 है तो आउटपुट 0 रहता है लिनियरिटी सिस्टम का. देयर शुड नॉट बी ओनली नल पोजीशन. इसमें सिर्फ नल पोजीशन नहीं होती. साइन कॉस टैन सेक कोसेक कॉट लॉन्ग एक्सपोनेंशियल. एग्जांपल ऑफ linearity. Check linear or null system. Y of t is equal to x of t plus 2. Put t is equal to 0. The y0 is not equal to x of 0 plus 2. Y of t is equal to e raised to x of t, because e raised to x of t it is the null, and also both condition not satisfying. इसके दोनों कंडीशन नॉट सेटिस्फाई रहते हैं. y of t is equal to x tan of t. सिस्टम इज linear है. If t is equal to 0, then y0 is equal to x of 0, means no input, no output. Above 7th is not operating on x, it is operating on t. Then x of t system is null. Y of t is equal to xt minus 1 plus x t plus 1 input system and output. Past input plus future input. No any null function, so this is linear. Y of t is equal to 1 x of t. Y of t is equal to x of t plus x in bracket minus t upon 2. Non-linear operation, so is this is the linear. Y of t integration minus infinity to t x of tau. System linear is output is depends on input. This is the law of superposition. xt minus 1, this is the output. Past input, this is the future input. T is greater than equal to 0. T is less than equal less than मतलब होने वाला था तो past. T is greater than equal to 0. Future. Integrand and derivative operation are operator are linears. Even and odd operators are linear. Y of t is equal to integral and derivative operators are linear. Even and odd operator are linear. Y of t integration minus infinity to x square of 2 d2. Y of t integration minus infinity to infinity x of 2 d2. Y of t is equal to e raised to t x of t. Y of t is equal to e raised to t x of t. Is the linear. equal to x of t y of t is equal to x of t plus x of t upon 2. This is the system 1 I system y of t is equal to minus b. Read an imaginary operator are null. Y of t is equal to m x of t. This system is linear. Is y of t and m x of t. And this second y of t is equal to m x of t. This system is linear. Input we get output system is linear. Y of t is equal to x of mod of x of t. System linear. This system is null. Time invariant and time variant system. Time invariant system delay of delay to I t minus t0 delay of t0 x t minus t0 system y dash is equal y t minus t0. Any delay provided in the input must be reflected in output of time variant system. Time invariant system check time invariant time varying systems. Y of 2t is equal to y of 2t x t minus t0, then f 2t x 2t is equal to 0, then output is cos bracket t minus t0 f cos of t is cos of t t0. In case of time scaling system will be variant. ये सिस्टम वेरिएंट है cos x of t y of t is equal to log t x of t cos of t x of t x bracket t minus t0 cos f of t cos x t minus t0 cos t minus t0 x x t minus t0. System is TV. If coefficient in system relationship is function of time, then system will be time variant. Is some function of time, then odd x of t y of t is equal to x of t minus x bracket minus of x of t minus t upon 2. This is a time scaling. This is a minus because system is time scaling. This is x of t plus x minus of t. This is system is time scaling. Xt minus 1 plus xt plus 1. No scaling coefficient are independent. This system is time invariant system. I will find time variant time invariant system. This is x of 2 integration infinity to minus infinity x of 2 d2 about y of t. Coefficient are independent. This is time invariant system है. इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी इंटीग्रेशन टाइम इनवेरिएंट म्हणजे टाइम वेरी होता है इसमें और टाइम इनवेरिएंट म्हणजे टाइम वेरी नहीं होता. तो यह क्या हो रहा है इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 3t x of 2 to x of 3t y of t integration minus infinity to t cos of 2 x of 2 d 2 solution. y of t is equal to cos x tau d tau x in bracket t minus 1, t is less than equal to 0, then x bracket t plus 1. System split systems are time variant system, stable and stable, finite bounded amplitude. स्टेबल सिस्टम में क्या होता है, बाउंडेड इनपुट बाउंडेड आउटपुट रहता है. BIBO binary input binary output system stable output should be bounded output bounded input. then stable system में क्या होता है, output should be bounded finite of infinite. bounded input are y of t DC signal, sin of t, cos of t, sin of t. check the system stable or unstable. y of equal to x of t plus 2 x of t upon 10 y of t upon 12. stable system y of t is equal to x dx of t, x of t upon 10 y of t upon 10. Infinity is not is equal to infinity. y of t x of t upon sin of t x of 2 t 2 upon y of t to sin of t is equal to 0 pi. Linear time invariant system LTI system output x of t input y of t output equal to response and intermediate frequency terms are used only in linear time invariant system. Input response is used for defining LTI system in time domain. For continuous LTI system frequency domain. time domain and frequency domain matches PS per second. Impulse response. If input of LTI system is unit impulse, then output of system is known as impulse response. Transfer function. It is the ratio of Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input when all initial conditions are assumed to be 0. 0 state response total for linearity of system. Initial conditions are assumed to be a 0 for because non-zero initial condition make the system is linear convolution system LTI. LTI h of t tends to y of t. y of t is equal to x of t into h of t convolution is linear time invariant operator. It is will only LTI system used only. Transfer function is the ratio of Laplace transfer function का है Laplace transform.